Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing terrific. In today's video, we have a bunch of hot new deals over at Walgreens. I'm so excited. I can barely talk. But it's a really great week. A lot of meat and potatoes items that you guys love. If you can like and hype this video before we start, I would be so grateful. Thank you so much in advance, guys. Okay, Valentine's Day. Today is the 15th, so it is 50% off today for general merchandise and candy. I did check the app this morning. And when it's going to hit probably 70 or 80%, I'm assuming later this week. They want all of this stuff out of the store to make room for Easter. So when I have that information, I will pass it along as quickly as I find it. And currently, some stores, not all stores, might offer 50% online for various candies, chocolates, that sort of stuff. Again, some stores who can't fulfill the orders because maybe most of the merchandise is gone, very popular Valentine's Day in your city, they might not offer that. But if there's still a good amount, you possibly could put in a curbside order for Valentine's. Okay, so for this first deal, we're going to look at it curbside, meaning you're ordering it through the app, paying for it and driving to the store and picking it up. And this is a tall order sort of deal because first off, you need this booster, the 5-pack when you spend 15. And I know not everybody received it, but if you have it, it makes this deal extra good. If not, you can still do it. It's just going to be a little bit more out of pocket. You're going to see what I'm talking about in a second. So this 4 for $16, these Swiffer dusters are in fact part of it. If you remember last week, we had a 10 off a 2 coupon, but in the app, look what's happening. It's reducing it down to cost, but you can't put a third one in to get the full 10 off like the full amount of the coupon. It's just reducing down to $8. And in my region, the most you could put is 2 of these Swiffers in a cart. And this is the meat and potatoes of any extreme couponing stockpile. The Dawn Power Wash, I tossed 3 of them into a cart. And they'll just keep ringing up $4 an item. It doesn't matter even if you have like 5 in a cart. So just to show you my Swiffer coupon, it was a 10 off a 2. Now it's an 8 off a 2. It gets reduced down automatically. And then I can also use the code WAG10 for an additional $1.20 of savings. My overall total here is $20. Subtracting WAG10, it's $18.80. So for that booster of spend 15 to earn back 5, I'm still there. I have my $8 manufacturer melting off. So with my debit card, I'm going to pay $11.93 and I'm getting back 5. Okay, so not factoring in the tax, which is $1.13, it is $5.80 for the 5 items, or $1.16, which is really fantastic. Remember, you have to pay your debit card if you're using that booster with. If you're doing this deal with no booster, $11.93 for 5 items, not a bad little deal. Anyway, you slice the pie. So for those of you that are like, well, I'm going to try and do this deal in store, here's where it gets confusing. You'd have to track down 3 of them, which I think will be really difficult. And that 10 off a 2 might not come off. I tried to do it once a couple weeks back with some clearance Maybelline with an 8 off 2 coupon, buying $8 of clearance makeup. And customer service was not very customer servicey. They were like, you didn't buy enough for your first 2 units, so sorry. So I think the easiest way, instead of trying to find 3 of these in store, do it curbside. It's so much easier if you can track down this exact product. Okay, it looks like Mr. Axe went through a very rough Valentine's Day. Look at him. He must have popped open in the truck and spilled all over the place. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. This is a very cheap deal for Axe this week as well. It's on this promotion that when you buy 2, you get back a $2 register reward. Plus, we have that very generous 5 off a 2 digital coupon. I would definitely stock up on this for cheap men's body wash. 2 of these for $10. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per Axe. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But what a great deal for some cheap body wash. This is also a very cheap deal this week for the Dove shampoo. We have a new 4 off a 2 digital coupon, which I love to see. So we're going to load that. And the promotion is that when you buy 2 of these wonderful shampoos, you're getting back a $3 register reward. Pardon me. So not a bad little deal. We are grabbing 2 of these for 10 and subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $6, get back a $3 register reward, making it 3 for 2 or $1.50 per shampoo. No booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. Another great deal that we have this week is with the Garnier Whole Blends with a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Last couple of months, this shampoo's been a little bit more if you haven't been paying attention. But this week, it's $5.49 with a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, $3 reward when you purchase 2. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $10.98. Subtracting our coupon, you're paying $7.98, getting back a $3 register reward, making it $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 per unit. And it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The L'Oreal Elvive shampoo is 2 for $11. We have a store coupon and a new manufacturer that popped up this morning. This is your new manufacturer coupon to load, which is a 4 off of 2. Manufacturers are of a one-time use. Store coupons you can use more than one time. And the store coupon is that 2 off of 2 right there. Sorry guys, can't photograph it. It's missing in my app. So grabbing 2 of these friends for $11, subtracting your digital and your store. That's $6 melting off. You're paying 5 for 2 or $2.50 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you're doing the deal with a booster, you will be $2 short as you have a store coupon. So just keep that in mind. You would only be spending $9, not the full $11 with that store coupon. Okay, so I think this is one of our last shampoo deals. OGX will be at the very end, but we're talking Tresemme with this 4 off of 2 coupon. You're looking for the $6 bottles. When you buy 2, you're getting back a $4 register reward with that very generous coupon. Grabbing 2 of these friends, it's going to be $12. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $8. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 4 for 2 or $2 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The best paper deal of the week goes to Scott. If you still might have this 2 off of 2 digital, it is for the toilet paper only as well. Remember that, guys. Promotion for this is buy one, get one 50% off. So it's just a very straightforward basic deal. Grabbing 2 of these for $7.50, subtracting our coupon, you're paying $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per unit. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Or alternatively, if you have other register rewards that you want to throw into the mix to get a smaller out of pocket, by all means do that, because not all of us have a huge amount of Walgreens cash in your accounts. Another deal that I absolutely love this week is with the $3.50 Oral-B brushes, or those tubes of toothpaste that are a little bit harder, with this 5 off of 3 digital coupon. When you buy 3 of these items, you're getting back a $5 register reward. It makes it super cheap, so definitely stock up this week if you still might have that 5 off of 3 coupon. 3 of these products for $10.50. Subtracting that coupon, you're paying $5.50, getting back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per unit. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And don't be shy to ask the cashier too, hey, is that machine printing those coupons this morning? Just to be smart and save yourself that headache. This morning, we also got 2 4 off of 2 coupons for the Colgate toothpaste, and then for the mouth rinses and toothbrushes, which is a separate coupon. If you want to use both coupons, you have to break it up into 2 transactions because the register reward will only print once per transaction. The mystery 6 off of 2 is off the double packs. Haha, they got us. The cheapest way to do this is with the $4.50 toothbrushes or the paste. And remember, separate your transactions. 2 of those would be $9. Subtracting that 4 off of 2, you're paying $5, getting back a $4 register reward, making it 50 cents per unit. Remember, the toothpaste and toothbrushes, 2 separate transactions, so that magic 4 off of 2 digital will print for you twice, along with the 4 off of 2 digital coupon will come off twice. It's off of either the paste or the brushes or mouth rinses. So you really got to pay attention to that. Another super deal this week is with the Softsoap refills. I always love when this product is on sale. Very popular item. When you buy 2 of these, you're getting back a $2 register reward with the 5 off of 2 digital coupon. That one, we had it last week, so if you used it last week, I don't think it came back a second week. IBOTTA is giving back $1.50 with a limit of up to 1 time for this. So grabbing 2 of these is going to be $11.98. Subtracting our coupon, you're paying $6.98. Getting back a $2 register reward. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $1.50 back. It makes it $3.48 for the 2 or $1.74 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but stock up. Cheap hand soap is the best hand soap. Closing up this video, we're going to do 2 baskets at $15 a pop. Obviously, if your booster is spend $20 to earn back $5, you're going to be $5 short. So you might have to augment that math a little bit depending what we're doing here. But we're doing these in store, so really pay attention. And this is with the OGX. And we have a 4 off a 2, and it is buy one, get one 50% off. So we're almost there with the buy one, get one 50% off. So we're going to have to find something Valentine's Day around 50 cents to get the math to balance for this basket. But the promotion is buy one, get one 50% off, $4 reward when you buy 2. And they have larger bottles and smaller bottles, and the smaller ones are what we're going for. So 2 of these OGX, if you want to get a shampoo and conditioner, go for it. It's $14.98. And then something on clearance for 50 cents, whatever you want in the store. Your total here is $15.48. And have your booster loaded, the 5 back when you spend 15. You have 1 4 off a 2 digital coupon melting off. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $11.48 plus tax. Get back a $4 register reward for OGX plus $5 in Walgreens cash for your booster. It makes it $2.48 for the 3 items or 82 cents per item. Do not use Walgreens cash if you're using the 5 back when you spend 15 e-booster. Now, I know a lot of you don't have the booster, so this is just the deal on its own. 2 of the OGX for $14.98. Subtracting the 4 off of 2, you're paying $10.98. Getting back a $4 register reward, making it $6.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per OGX. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, and obviously you're doing the deal with no booster, so not a bad little deal. Usually these shampoos are close to $10, so again, you're getting like 70% off. Not a bad deal. Okay, the last deal that I have prepared for you, again, is with this booster, and it is deals that we've already looked at, so I've talked about them in excruciating detail. We're going to grab 2 of the Axe body washes and then 2 of the Colgate toothpastes for $19. They're both on a sales promotion this week with register rewards back. Don't forget to politely ask the cashier, like, hey, is that machine working today? Or listen for it. Have your e-booster loaded, the 5 back when you spend 15. We have $9 in manufacturers melting off, 5 for Axe and 4 for Colgate. With your debit card, you are going to pay $10. Get back a $6 in register rewards, 2 for Axe and 4 for Colgate, and then $5 in Walgreens cash, making this free plus a $1 moneymaker. Do not use Walgreens cash if you're using the 5 back when you spend 15 e-booster. But not a bad deal. 4 items completely for free. It's exactly what we're talking about. That's it for this video. And in case you missed it, Dollar General clearance event right around the corner. I made a video last week. Check it out. Linked right here. Get organized for the event. Bye, guys.